Today I'm going to talk about how to use the Google Map. When we tap the Google Map here, you'll start the application. As you see here, there's a menu here, options. You see your places, your timeline, the other options. First check what is your places. As you see here, I edit my home and the work address here. When you tap it, you can go easily over there. Also at the top, you see the save button that you can check the favorite or other places. And the maps, if you download it the offline, you can use it later on. Let's check the menus again. You see your timeline here. Here, if you turn on it, it will say which places you go in the day to day or the week to week. You can turn it, it's up to you. There's the privacy. And you see another important part is the location sharing. As you see here, you can share your place with your friend. It's easy because sometimes your friend or you got lost, they can find you easily. And explorer option is another thing. You see the breakfast here, the lunch menus, the other options. You can find it easily with the Google Map. It's a big help for you. And here see another point, the offline maps. Sometimes you may have problem with your GSM company. If you download some offline maps, you will not have that problem. And you see another option, satellite, the traffic or anything. When you click on that one, you can use the regular map or the other map. You see the 3D thing or the terrain. It's up to you. Let's use the default one for now. And here's the settings. You see the settings over here. You can check each one by one. It's up to you. Let's check first, where do you want to go. Here we have some list over here. These lists are that I went yesterday in recently. Let me type any address that here. When you type any number here, it will show you which address you may choose, or if you know the certain address, you can type it. For example, let me type my friend's old address. You don't have to know the exact part. It will give you some options here. For example, it was my friend's address was here. And here you see at the bottom the start button or the directions. When we click on the directions, you see it says with the car it will take 4 minutes. If you walk, it will be 15 minutes, and the other parts you see. Or you can take the Uber. All options you can click each one here. It shows you. With the bike will take 4 minutes. So another important part here is at the top. You see here when we click on here this part. Some of the drivers don't want to go the tollway here. You can see here something, a ferry or anything. If you are going the long way, it will show the tollway, highway or something. You can click on await or something. Because it's very close to my house, it doesn't show me that option right now. Also, it can tell you the steps over here. Sometimes you can print out this part. Maybe it will be easy for you if you do like this. And today our tutorial is done about the Google Map. Thank you.